see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up.
What's up? It's your boy Chase Soul. Some of you might know me from my only Instagram handle _JSOLE_. Now, if you're new to the channel, join the Soul family by tapping that subscribe button and ringing that notification bell. If you're a sneakerhead like I am, go ahead and tap that like button. I'm here to talk to you about these Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0s. I'm going to talk about the pros and the cons and also show you some on-feet shots. Alright y'all, let's see what these look like on feet. Release date is Saturday, May 15th in the US with an MSRP of $170. It features gray suede and black leather with color blocking similar to the Bred 1, although there are some differences. The materials are good, not great. Suede is nice, but the black leather on the toe box and on the side panels feels a bit rough. It's not a premium quality like some of the other Jordan 1s, like its predecessor, the Shadow 1. The fit is true to size. I'm a size 12, so I bought a 12, and it's comfortable for me. However, I know some people go down half a size in Jordan 1s. Color blocking is simple and only features two colors, gray and black, which makes it very easy to match with different fits. Comes with spare gray laces and the sole is black. Overall, I recommend copping these at retail pricing or even at resale pricing. This is definitely something that you want in your collection. So that's what I think. Let me know what you think. Go ahead and comment down below what your thoughts are on the Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0. And before I go, make sure you go check out my Instagram account where we're giving away a free pair of Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0s. You definitely don't want to miss it. And last but not least, if you're subscribing to this channel, make sure you're also subscribing to The Soul's YouTube channel. She's got dope content, it's female focused, and you don't want to miss it. Alright y'all, thank you for joining me. I will see you the very next time. Peace and love.